Meet My Kid and Lotsa Lil and Double Diamond Norma, and they're sent on their way in the Flicker Tail. They all came away in good order, especially for Callie Spell in the middle of the field, who goes out for the front. Unite Tonight races second down along the inside, and here's Lotsa Lil. Now Lotsa Lil's moving up on the outside to take the lead, and Lotsa Lil looks to cross over and take command. And something's gone wrong for Unite Tonight at the back of the pack, who had a few bad steps there, but now Unite Tonight is settled again with about 12 lengths to make up. And it's Lotsa Lil who comes out of that first turn with the lead and has it by 2. To the outside, Slinkin races second. Down along the inside is Callie Spell. As they bank up the backside, they're midway up the backside, and it's still Lotsa Lil and Terry Bennett calling the shots. They lead it by a length and a half from Slinkin, who's racing second. Callie Spell is third. Then it's Meet My Kid traveling fourth. The back two markers are Double Diamond Norma and Unite Tonight. They go to the far turn in the Flicker Tail. And it's still Lotsa Lil who has the lead by 2. Slinkin on the attack. It's a gap of 6 back to Callie Spell, who couldn't go with the top 2. The rest of them are far behind. And it's Lotsa Lil and Terry Bennett who have led from the start, and they still have it by a length and a half. Slinkin, the only one with the chance to run him down. Along the back, Unite Tonight's running on for a minor reward, but it's Lotsa Lil in the Flicker Tail.